it's gonna generate the section cuts for the 4 lines you have right now. So that's typing csec. So that's cross section. Click, and then it's asking you the profile curves in order. So okay, let's just select 1, 2, 3, 4. So after that, enter. And then right now you want to disable your OSnap and make sure your ortho is turned on. So right now you can start drawing section lines from here to anywhere. So what happens is it generates this shape for you based on the 4 lines you have. The rule of thumb is just to make sure you cover the lowest point and the highest point, and if there's any sudden changes, make sure you have section lines on them. Again, I won't do too many, just to show you the idea. You guys can do as much detail as you wish. So for any changes, I will do a section cut. But then you'll realize something's gonna be weird if you do at the back. This line doesn't make any sense. And then just click, enter, and then let's delete this line. And the reason is because we want to keep these two always on the center. So as you can see from the front view, that 2 line right here is actually becoming higher than these 2 lines. So we need to do a command that's called bend. We'll bend this part lower. So start, just type in bend, and then it's asking the start of the spline. You can turn on the snap. Make sure the end is checked. So let's say I want to start from here. Oh, actually I want to start from the right side. So click on near, check on near. So I think it's gonna start around here to here, and turn off your ortho. That's how you bend the curve, so that you can go down. It's kind of like a scale. You choose, you have a reference point, reference line, and then you start manipulate them. So I think this is looking good. So let's go back and finish the last part. Again, typing csec. Select the lines in order. Click, and also make sure when you are doing the 6 section lines, make sure the close is set to yes. So we can continue to finish the last part. Turn on your ortho and disable your OSnap again. Okay, I don't want to do too until the real too much end, but I think this is already good enough. So from the right view here, we see all the lines, and what we want to do is to do loft. We're gonna loft all the line together, and it will create a shape, a surface actually. So a quicker way to select them, you can select them one by one by holding shift, and if you clicked on the wrong thing, you don't want this one, you can hold Control to deselect. But I think the real quicker way just to select from the right view. So make sure you don't select anything here or here, because that's where your profile line is. You're just gonna select from here to here, and then select the last ones. Okay, make sure everything is selected, and make sure every line looks okay. is a closed circular surface. So that's typing loft. As soon as you're typing, you see the angle, you'll see the arrows. That means everything is fine. And right click again. Oh, set your perspective view to shaded. So basically your form is the body form is here. Set to normal, or if you prefer to try different ones, you have the freedom to do that. Check do not simplify and click OK. So that's the basic body form of the dragonfly, and they are all based on those 4 lines that you draw from plane and elevation.